Welcome to our comparison of the Ecozy and EUHOMY countertop dishwashers. If you're living in a small apartment, RV, or simply looking for a compact solution for your dishwashing needs, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll dive into the features of both models, examining their washing capabilities, noise levels, and overall value for money. Let's find out which dishwasher reigns supreme in the world of compact living. When it comes to price, the Ecozy portable dishwasher is priced at $349, while the EUHOMY countertop dishwasher comes in at a more budget-friendly $279. This significant price difference makes the EUHOMY a more attractive option for those looking to save money without sacrificing essential features. Next, let's talk about noise levels. The Ecozy operates at 48 decibels, which is slightly louder compared to the EUHOMY's impressive 40 decibels. For those living in small spaces, this quieter operation of the EUHOMY can make a significant difference, allowing you to run your dishwasher without disturbing your daily activities. Finally, let's compare the washing programs. The Ecozy offers 6 washing programs, while the EUHOMY boasts 8, including specialized modes like self-clean and fruit wash. This additional versatility in the EUHOMY allows for better customization based on your dishwashing needs, making it a more flexible option for users. In conclusion, both the Ecozy and EUHOMY countertop dishwashers offer unique advantages for small living spaces. The Ecozy excels in high-temperature cleaning and portability, while the EUHOMY stands out with its lower price, quieter operation, and additional washing programs. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either of these dishwashers could be the perfect addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.